banana.
Hey, stop music. Oh, no, the music, the music. Okay. Hi, this is a vlog. This is Alan and Madison, and they're my friends from 5 years ago when I used to live in the
Some
South
time ago.
Island.
Some
Yeah,
time ago.
still my friends. Oh, where's Ellen gone? Oh, there she is. Anyway, so we decided to do a vlog, and I don't really know what a vlog is. She knows what a vlog is. Okay, it's we go around on your day and you film your stuff and go like, I'm doing stuff right now. You know, just update what you're doing. Yeah. Anyway, so we're doing one of those, but yeah, we're trying to just. The current time is what's the current time, guys? What's the time? What's the time? This is how you fall over. It's like 10:30. It's 10:28. Current time 10:28. Anyway, yeah. So yeah, we just wanted to make this say Merry Christmas. Yeah, I hope you've had a good Christmas and you got lots of presents. And for you who don't celebrate Christmas, hope you had a good day in general. Merry Christmas. Subscribe. Like this video. See ya. Why? Because Maria suits hats. Yeah, she's a real tomboy. Bye.